free and fly.
Hi, my name is Israr from STM Lab, where I teach online business owners, entrepreneurs, content creators, and programmers who want to grow their business organically through online video. Okay. Let's start now. Open Google Chrome or any browser you have, or play.google.com. Open website https://bit.ly.com/. This website has very helpful features. Bit.ly can shorten the long links. Bit.ly can provide you the QR codes that you can share with others. You can replace your own domain with bit.ly.com. Let's check the price table. Click on the button Pricing. Scroll down a little bit. Bit.ly offers several features and their price packages. Pick one that's sweet to you. Now click on Bit.ly icon to go at home page. Click on the button Get Started for free. Click on the button Sign Up free. Click on the button Sign Up with Google. Input your Google account address. Input your Google account password. Press Enter key from the keyboard. Click on the button Create New Bit.ly account. You can choose the type of accounts. It can be a personal or business account. I am selecting both. Now on this page, you can fill the required details, or you can skip the form. Hooray! Your account is created and you can see several areas of the Bit.ly workspace. On the left side, you can see the dashboard, all links, custom links, link in bio, new feature. You can look the date and top trending links. You can filter the links by using tags. Now click on the button Create your first link. On the right sidebar, you can see the main checklist link to create short link. First you need to copy the long link, so I am copying my STM Lab channel video. Then you can set Bit.ly as your link domain, or you can add your own company domain also. Click on the button Create. Now the link is created. You can copy the link, get the QR code and tweet also. You can enter the title and tag of the link also. So I am putting the title. And copying the link in the Notepad app. Then click on QR code button. On the pop-up, you can download QR code and PNG file. If you have paid Bit.ly version, then you can change background color and add your own or company logo. Now click on the button Download PNG. After downloading, click on the QR code PNG file. Congrats! Your QR code for the link is ready to share. Close the QR pop-up window. Click on Save button and close it. So your first short link is created. You can edit the link again and you can delete the short link also. You can see the original destination of link. This means source link where the short link can redirect the customers. Verification. Copy the short link and paste in a new browser window. Hooray! The link is working and STM Lab link is playing the video on best website for free icons. You can watch the video and have a cup of tea. That's it for this video. If you have learned a new skill by watching this video, then subscribe to STM Lab and hit the bell icon to turn on the notifications, so you will not skip my future videos. Thank you. Goodbye.